In this video, I'll show you how to connect Klaviyo to TrackBee and how to set up a TrackBee browse and cart abandonment flow. You can do this for email, for SMS, or for both. It's completely up to you. In TrackBee, open the stores page and select the Connect Klaviyo button. Now log into Klaviyo and allow TrackBee to access your account's information. Then wait until the setup is finished and select Finish when it's done. Klaviyo is now connected, so we head over to Klaviyo to set up a flow. Navigate to your existing browse or cart abandonment flow, click on the three dots and select Clone. Make sure to add TrackBee in the name of the cloned flow and select Continue. Now choose the TrackBee trigger. In the case of a browse abandonment flow, it's Viewed Product. In case of cart abandonment, it's Add to Cart. Then press Clone Flow. Now we open the cloned TrackBee flow to edit it. Select your top trigger, look for profile filters and click on the Edit button. Scroll down and select the End button to create a new filter. Now select a condition and choose the option What someone has or has not done. For the second option, we say the person has received an email. After doing this, you can select the Filter button. Then you select the Where field and you type $flow. Then select the Equals field and choose the Browse or Cart Abandonment Shopify flow. In our case, we select the Browse Abandonment flow. For the next option, we choose 0 times. For the second field, we choose In the Last, and finally, we choose 7 days, but this is completely up to you. This option configures how many days Klaviyo looks back to check if someone has already received that email. We can also do it for SMS, and you do that in the same way. If you don't want to do this, you can skip this part. Now select the plus and button to add another filter and select the condition what someone has or has not done, and for the person has option we choose Received SMS. Now select the filter button again, type $flow in the Where field, select Browse or Cart Abandonment Shopify flow, and once again select 0 times in the last 7 days. The amount of days are once again completely up to you. Now let's move on to configuring the second part of the profile filters. Now select the plus and button to add another filter. Once again, select the What someone has or has not done condition and select Person has received email. Select the filter button and once again type $flow in the Where field and select your Shopify browse or cart abandonment flow. In the next field, we choose 0 times, and in the other field, choose the option Since starting this flow. Now we will do the same for SMS. But of course, you can skip this if you don't want to. Add another filter and select the condition what someone has or has not done. But now we select that the person has received an SMS. Select the filter button and once again fill in $flow in the Where field. And then choose your Browse or Cart Abandonment Shopify flow in the Equals field. And just like for email, we choose 0 times since starting this flow. Now scroll to the top and check if all your TrackBee specific profile filters look the same. The other filters that you configured by yourself may look different. If everything looks good, select the Save button. Now select the time delay details and add 30 minutes on top of the original waiting time of your existing flow, so the TrackBee flow triggers later than the original one. Head over to the Flows overview and select your original cart or browse abandonment flow. In the original flow, we'll do exactly the same as in the TrackBee flow, but now we make sure to select the TrackBee browse or cart abandonment flow in the Equals field at all times. When you have done that, scroll to the top and check if all your TrackBee specific filters look like this. Your own configured non-TrackBee filters can look different. That's not a problem. If everything looks good, select the Save button. Then double check if all the TrackBee specific profile filters on the Shopify flow look like this, and when everything is correct, you select the Review and Turn On button. Make sure the flow status is live and select Save. Now navigate to the TrackBee flow. Double check the profile filters and also review this profile, and make sure the flow status is live, and then hit the Save button. This process works exactly the same for both the browse and cart abandonment flows. You just have to select the right flow in the equals field, and the trigger is an add to cart event in case of an abandoned cart flow. If you need more help with configuring the Klaviyo integration, make sure to reach out to our support team or check out our extensive help center.